Effective communication and collaboration are the cornerstones of any successful team. But today, teams are even more diverse and in many cases physically distant. So naturally, it can be challenging to foster meaningful connections. Teams communicate better when they understand and respect each other's opinions and ideas.
Hi, I'm Mazareen Memon. Welcome to the Mysteries in Color workshops, a proven program that quickly gained recognition for its simple yet remarkable approach to revealing the imaginative side of people, one that is often unseen. A fun way to kindle delightful conversations and moments of laughter. The Mysteries in Color workshops are interactive and playful experiences designed to promote imaginative thinking, better communication, and strengthen team bonds. This first-of-its-kind team-building methodology uses colorful ink blots and a fascinating psychological phenomenon called pareidolia. Pareidolia is the human tendency to see familiar patterns in abstract visuals, like seeing a bear in a cloud or a face on the moon. Through the exploration of ink blots, workshop participants uncover clues to familiar forms, like faces, animals, flowers, objects, or even landscapes, and they then express their discoveries with pencils or crayons to share with others. What makes this a mind-opening experience is that every person uncovers something unique, providing a fresh perspective that others may have missed. This "now I see what you see" moment demonstrates how everyone can see and interpret the same thing differently because of their unique perspective. This is a critical takeaway, because one of the biggest sources of conflict in any organization or relationship is our inability to see things from another person's perspective. We don't see things as they are. We see them as we are, because we all have confirmation bias. This can be limiting. Inviting diverse opinions eliminates this confirmation bias. It generates innovative solutions and promotes team bonds.
Greetings, team. I'm Ted Tamirtzoglu, and I'm honored to be on the Mysteries of Color journey with you. My expertise lies in seamlessly integrating movement to foster an environment where creativity, empathy flourishes and a sense of community deepens. In our workshop, I'll guide you through activities that trigger the release of mood-altering hormones from muscles to mind and body, a natural pharmacy within us all, activated through movement. The profound impact will be felt cognitively and emotionally. You will feel this firsthand by participating in several dynamic activities like rock, paper, scissors yoga. The laughter and the smiles are the side effects you can expect throughout our workshop. You will feel, see, and experience how movement creates conditions in our bodies and our minds. In practices of renowned ancient creatives, we find that movement and exercise were pivotal to stimulating their artistic brilliance. It was their superpower. So, get ready to embark on this union of mysteries in color, where power of movement and mysteries in color converge, creating a holistic experience where we can all flourish and thrive. We can't wait to begin this journey with you.
The Mysteries in Color process cultivates a shared understanding and respect for each other's viewpoints, paving the way for better communication, collaboration, and creative problem solving. Most of all, it is a childlike, fun experience that sparks the imagination. Mysteries in Color is a team-building activity, perfect for icebreakers, onboarding, office parties, and mixers, and for setting the stage for productive brainstorming sessions. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our clients have to say. So, if you are seeking a fun and effective way to boost communication and teamwork, contact us for a free demonstration. Let us help you unlock the power of your team's creativity.